Register for Zoho Books. In this video, you will learn how to register for Zoho Books cloud accounting software and create your own account at www.zohobooks.lk. This tutorial walks you through the step-by-step registration process, including how to set up your organization, select your country, and get started with Zoho's powerful cloud-based accounting platform. You can type www.zohobooks.lk in your URL. From this site, you can register for Zoho Books and other Zoho products such as Analytics, Desk, CRM, Inventory. Like that, there are several applications available. You can register for Zoho Books by clicking this Register Now button. Zoho Books has several plans: Standard, Professional, Premium, Lite and Ultimate. We will register for Premium plan. You can click this Register Now button. In this screen, you can enter your company details. You can enter company name, email address, password, when you enter password, please use uppercase, lowercase, special characters and numbers. And when you enter password, don't enter continuous numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And, you can enter phone. You can enter your phone number. After that, you can select your country. Sometimes country will automatically select from your according to your location, and you can enter your state or province. Right, now we have entered company details. After that, you can check this checkbox: I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After that, you can click this sign up button. Sometimes the system will display to enter CAPTCHA. You can enter this. And click sign up. Now it's creating your account. Now it's loading your account. Sometimes system will ask OTP for your registered email address. It will take a few minutes to set up your account. Right now, we need to enter organization name. If you want, you can save your password, and you can enter organization name, and you can select your industry. This will not affect your chart of accounts or any other accounting, so you can select your industry, your company organization industry. You can select your country, and you can select your province or state. After that, you can select your currency. You can select your base currency. If you are in USA, you can select USD. Based on your country, you can select your currency. You can select your time zone. After that, you can click this Get Started button and start your organization. Right now, when you click that button, after that this screen will display. So you can click this show me around, and you can go through the system, navigation pane, recent activities, search. You can search by clicking here, and you can create quick creates items. You can view notifications from bell icon, and you can go for settings and support assistant available. Now you can getting started. So like that, you can register for Zoho Books. You can view your modules, and you can view your transactions from here. Like that, you can create your account. Sometimes Zoho will send OTP to enter OTP to your registered email address. This way, you can register for Zoho Books.